how to fix TikTok effects not working. For this, first of all, update the TikTok app to the latest version. Go to Play Store, search for TikTok, and update the app from here. Next step, go to the setting. For this, long press on TikTok app, tap app info, tap storage usage, clear cache, also clear data. This will show up effects in your TikTok. If this still not work, then also check your internet connection, try VPN, and also check device compatibility, because new effects are often not working on all devices. So after this, restart your phone. If these methods not work, then completely uninstall and reinstall TikTok app. This will show up effects.